Hi, my name is Eric Blaise. I'm Director of Applied Research and Innovation at Centennial College. So we're standing in front of a mechanical testing machine, a tool we use substantially often with industry partners to test and validate components. We found that over the past few years, our sweet spot in applied research projects is making custom test rigs to test and validate subsystems, new technologies, new materials. Often these assemblies are installed on this loading apparatus, and students get to design and manufacture these components and then work with the industry partner to test and validate the technology. Sometimes we get the design right the first time, sometimes we have to redesign it, and our partners learn a lot through the design process. And we have a project right now that is ongoing where the first design had some hiccups, and now we've simplified the design, making it as well stronger. And very soon it will be installed here on the machine to test the life and durability of polymeric bushings for aircrafts.